Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
Install pre-requires Spack dependencies by running next command. Clone Spack repository to obtain the latest version of Spack with the next command. Set up environment variables to use Spack conveniently. You can do this with the next command. Add the following lines at the end of the file. Save changes and close the file. To activate the new environment variables, run the next command. Verify the installation with the next command. Now you can start work with this application. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.